G'day guys, my name's Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on your Nissan X-TRAIL. So this is a 2013 model T31, so it's quite a simple procedure, so let's get stuck into it. So the first thing we need to do is turn the ignition on, and then we can come down to these buttons here. We can go through the menu here until we get to our settings menu here, and then we just want to twist this little dial. Now you can see we're in the menu. We can scroll down using the dial to the maintenance screen, select it by clicking. Then we can go down to service, click on that, and there you can see that it needs to be reset. So we can hit reset, and now it's back to 0. So we can go back and check some of these as well, see if they're set, and you can see both of those are not set at all. So all we need to do is the service one, which we've reset already, and now that will reset our service light. So there you go, we can go back and exit out of that screen, and we're back to the menu. So there you go guys, that's how you reset your service light on your Nissan X-TRAIL. If this video helped you reset your service light, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers guys.